And now you'll get new Cinna dips. 4 cinnamon dough sticks and a delicious vanilla dip. All thrown.
You are now watching Channel 4. We have interrupted our usual programming to issue you a warning regarding the current blizzard which is roaring through all over the United Kingdom. Please stay tuned and listen, as it is vital to your safety, but most importantly, don't be too alarmed and remain calm. The government has issued a red weather warning due to the blizzard, leaving the majority of the country snowed in, unable to exit their homes. Currently, the blizzard is showing no signs of stopping and continues to get more aggressive throughout the day. Channel 4 is broadcasting this emergency broadcast because of unforeseen circumstances and will give you the latest information regarding this weather warning. Listen carefully and remain sheltered indoors for your own safety. According to recent reports, the storm has caused power lines and electricity to be frozen solid, leaving them inoperable for an uncertain amount of time. It's recommended you start to switch off any form of electricity inside your homes to prevent electrocution once the storm calms down, causing the snow to melt, which poses a risk to your safety. To get further updates safely, a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio is advisable. Weather updates will be provided throughout television and radio services for as long as possible. It's also worth noting that there has been a massive strain on emergency services due to the overwhelming requests and calls. To combat this, you must only notify emergency services unless it is considered absolutely necessary. As we speak, road services are currently doing their best to move the snow away from the roads so people can exit their homes and travel safely if it's necessary. In the meantime, you must stay indoors until further notice, and we will alert you once the blizzard has cleared. At the moment, we don't have any further information to bring you during this time. Stay tuned, but most importantly, remain calm and do not panic. We will alert you when more news becomes available.
New Action Ball tabs from Vanish give you the power of soaking in your wash, so stains vanish.
It's not a little bit butterly, is it? It's utterly butterly. 110%. Give it all you've got, butterly.
Utterly Butterly is made with buttermilk.
Apologies for another sudden interruption, however. We have some new information to share with you regarding the blizzard. Please stay tuned while we get the latest news for you, as it is vital to your safety. Sadly, it has been at least estimated that the storm will last for the next 2 weeks, with the snow now continuously falling, preventing us from even opening the doors to our homes and exiting. If you haven't already, you should start to ensure you have the correct stock of resources such as medical supplies and food. Ideally, non-perishable canned food is advisable. You should ration these supplies throughout these 2 weeks to ensure you remain healthy and even survive. Jesus Christ, it's freezing in here. Can somebody turn up the heating if they can? Never mind, apologies for that. It goes without saying that it is critical you remain sheltered indoors to prevent from catching any serious illnesses due to the freezing weather. You will be unable to collect any other resources during your time of sheltering, so you need to ensure you have everything you need to last for 14 days. Like stated before, regardless of your circumstances, you must remain indoors, as even simply exiting your home will pose a major risk to your health and even your life. We have also just received reports of trees and power lines collapsing due to the strength of the storm's wind. This has caused multiple deaths, including people being blown away unexpectedly and knocked into the ground rapidly and violently. Once the all clear has been given and the storm has vanished, you may step outside and clear your area of any damage. As same as television services, internet and electricity will be operable as soon as possible once it's safe to be switched on again for usage and general purpose. Now, with that being said, normal programming will be suspended for the time for safety reasons of our viewers and employees. This emergency broadcast will be in replacement of programming and will continue to deliver you the latest news and updates. For now, remember to stay calm and enjoy some music.